Your circadian rhythm supports some of the body's most important natural processes that keep us healthy, sleeping well, and functioning optimally. But what are they, and how do they actually affect your health and well-being? Acting like metabolic clocks in your brain and cells, circadian rhythms help maintain the timing of several of your critical biological functions and behaviors, such as sleep, your heart rate, body temperature, hormone levels, and your metabolism. So what happens when the rhythms are not in sync? There are several factors that can affect your circadian rhythms. Your natural aging process, jet lag, lifestyle changes, and even a lack of sleep can have a negative impact. And when your clocks are thrown off, it can lead to various chronic health conditions including obesity, autoimmune issues, diabetes, and even cancer. The best way to maintain your circadian rhythms is to keep a regular routine for sleeping and waking up each day. But sometimes we need a little help getting to bed and waking up on time. Luckily, scientists have found that certain supplements can help you stay on a consistent schedule and maintain your clocks. Melatonin is a hormone that supports healthy sleep patterns by targeting the central clock in your brain. Triggered by darkness, your body naturally releases melatonin into your system to induce sleep. But disruptions like the blue light from cell phones and watching television can impede this process. Supplementing with melatonin supports healthy sleep by stabilizing and reinforcing your circadian rhythms. Nobiletin, an extract of citrus peel, targets your body's peripheral clocks to support many of your physiological functions. By selectively binding to specific receptors on your cells, Nobiletin restores the expression of genes that control your circadian rhythms and support normal metabolic function. Adding these two important ingredients to your routine can help keep your circadian clocks in rhythm and lead you to a longer, healthier life.